Downloaded a multi-part archive and the first piece is an R01 file? This is the first part of a split RAR archive that needs all parts to extract. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to extract these WinRAR split archive files. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium R01 file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. R01. Files are the first part of a multi-volume RAR archive split into smaller pieces for easier transmission or storage. They work alongside R02 R03 and additional numbered parts, which together contain the complete compressed archive contents using the RAR compression format. R01. Files follow the RAR multi-volume archive specification, where archive data is split across sequential volumes with size limits set during creation. Each volume contains a portion of the compressed data, with the first volume holding the archive header and file directory. The core association for the R01 file points directly to 7-zip, developed by Igor Pavlov. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows may recognize compressed files visually, but full operations still require decompression utilities. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your R01 file and select Open With. If 7-zip is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed application. If the R01 file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, gathering all volumes. Ensure you have all volumes of the split archive in the same folder, including R01, R02, R03, and any additional parts up to the final volume. Missing volumes prevent successful extraction. The main RAR file may also be required depending on the original archive structure. Next, extracting with WinRAR. Install WinRAR and right-click the R01 file, then select Extract Here or Extract to Folder. WinRAR automatically detects the additional volumes in sequence and extracts the complete archive contents, preserving the original directory structure and file names. Finally, using 7-zip alternative. If you don't have WinRAR, install 7-zip, which also handles split RAR archives. Right-click the R01 file, select 7-zip, then Extract Here. 7-zip processes all volumes, automatically extracting the contents to the chosen destination folder. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.